Hey, welcome again, boys and girls, on second video on time. So last video we talked about telling time, 12 hour clock, 24-hour clock, and how to convert between them. So today we'll be concentrating on time elapsed, which is another big topic. So let's hit straight on. So just move page right before this. Okay, so time elapsed. Elapsed means how much time has passed. So typically you get questions for on railway questions, train timetable questions, to tell you what time a train starts and what time it leaves or what time it arrives, and you have to work out how much time has passed. Or you get a TV program; it starts at a certain amount of time, finishes at a certain amount of time. You have to figure out what time what time has elapsed, what time has passed. So let's give an example. So let's move on to this. So we have an example. So your bus arrives at 12:27 and reaches its destination. At 4:19. How long was the journey? So 2:27 is where we start, and 4:19 is where we end. So we have to work out how much time has passed. So what we do, we make it easier. So we start. If you add 3 on, that becomes 2:30. 3 at 27 is 2:30, and then we don't want to go directly to 4:19. We want to go through stops in between. So 2:30, add another 30 minutes, will gives us 3 o'clock, and then add another hour will give us 4 o'clock. And then how do we get to 4:19? Add 19 minutes, 4:19. And then what you do, you add all of these numbers together. So that's 1 hour, 30 add 19 gives you 49. And then 49, and then so that's these two, and then you've got 3. So add 49, add 3 gives you 52. So B, and then yeah. So this is actually, this should be wrong. It should be 1 hour and 52 minutes. There's wrong or something wrong there. So on the book you'll find that should be wrong. It's 1 hour 52 minutes. Yep. So 1 hour here, 1 hour there, and then 52 minutes. 52 minutes is the rest of the minutes added on. So that's how we do that, and you can let's do another example. So if I can move on, for example, let's say it starts. So your program starts at 2:17, and it finishes. It's a big program. Finishes 7:09. Okay. Right. So let's start with that. Let's say 2:17. Okay. So let's go to. So let's go to we can straight go to maybe 7:17, so the shortcut, which is 5 hours. And then if we want to go to 7:09. So 7:09. So 17, we want to go backwards. So 17 take away 9. 5 hours is too long. 17 take away 9. So it'll be 8. So if you take away 8 from 5 hours, so it'd be 4 hours. 5 hours is really 4 hours and 60 minutes. And take away the 8, so it'd be 4 hours and 52 minutes. So that's another way of doing it. Okay, so we've got plenty of practice in the book and in our homework on doing these. You must be able to read the timetables. So there's questions again to test out on. But let's move on to the next topic. which is actually let's go to the next topic, which is months in the year. So this gives you a quick drawing of how to tell how many months are in the year. And if it hits you go through you point out your knuckles as shown in the diagram, and then if it hits on a knuckle, like these are knuckles, the days then each of these knuckles represents 30 days. So January will have 30 because it hits on a knuckle. February is not on a knuckle, so it's not 30, and that could be either 28 or 29. 29 being the leap year. March, because it hits on a knuckle, it's going to be 30. So 31. So this should be 31. 31. If it hits on a knuckle, it's 31. So this should be 31. May hits on a knuckle, 31. So knuckles are 31, and non-knuckles are 30. Yeah, not knuckles are normally 30, except for February, which is going to be 28, 29. Not knuckles, 30. Okay. So these here are going to be. So this is 20. This is going to be 28 or 29. This is going to be 30. This is going to be 30. 30. September's 30. November's 30. December's 31 because it's knuckle. July and August, two of them together. Both of these are going to be 31 because hit on knuckles. So non-knuckles have 30 days. Knuckles have 31 days. Okay, so that's topic finished on time, and we'll leave it there.